Hi, this is Tom Varcie, Military Embedded Systems here at Xponential 2018 in Denver. Here with Mitchell from Altron. How are you, Mitchell?
Great. Having a good show so far. Just loving the time out here. The drones are super cool. The technology out here is amazing. It's very fun.
Yeah, in fact, their booth is directly across from our Military Embedded Systems booth. We saw their really cool products that they have for UAVs and also the medical industry. But Mitchell, show us some of your products that you have this year at the show.
Yeah, absolutely. So Tom, we're here. We're working with a tracking device for salmon. It's really cool because all these little circuit boards here are on the real small side of the capacitors and resistors and the micro BGAs. Just something specialty that we really like to do. We've been around for about 46 years. We've seen pretty much everything in industry, and we've seen the changes over time. The technology is beautiful.
And you were talking about this show you think is even going to be booming in 5 years, too.
Oh, absolutely. I think the industry is going to just absolutely explode. AUVSI is going to probably double, triple, I'd say, the next 5 years. You really see the drones coming out of the startup phase and into something that is really an applicable thing for our community and what the needs are for our warfighters and also an agriculture and industrial. Excuse me.
Yeah. And Altron is all part of it too.
Absolutely. We've been seeing it thick and through. 46 years, better known small business. It's just been a beautiful time to see. I'm in my 11th month with Altron, and every day is a new day, and every day is a new technology.
Right. So how can people get more information about Altron?
Absolutely. You can visit us our website as altronmfg.com. Hit us up. There's our sales information. We have good information about IPC training and design for manufacturability and design for testability as well. Just kind of help you get off this ground.
Awesome. Thank you very much. And this is Tom Varcie, Military Embedded Systems. You can see more of our videos on Twitter at #MilitaryVlogger.